I guess we're gonna remove this so he can get up there. You don't think it's too loose?
It definitely is.
You're not gonna be able to hit it or what?
No, I'll hit it.
A little steeper in the other one. All right, so he's gonna go up right through here. I'll get a side view on it. How's that? We'll video it from the side.
Sure.
He thinks he's going that way. But he bails and goes that way. I bet he doesn't make it halfway. I told you. Huh? I see that. Might want to give it some more effort. Not gonna happen, is it?
It's so loose.
Yeah. What do you think? You bailing on it?
I don't know how I'm gonna get up there.
I don't know.
This one's way easier.
All right, hit that one again, I guess.
This one?